Workshop. My name is Anne Marie, and I like to make things. If you like to make things, you are in the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is my last #Friday sews in my workshop until mid-December. I'll be in someone else's workshop. But today's topic is, let me read it verbatim. Just how long is that handmade gift list you're working on? Are you trying something new for someone special? What a great question. All right, so my handmade gift list is all of my immediate family and a few friends. And I've made soap, I've made quilts, I've made lounge sets, I've made different pieces of clothing. Last night I made bibs for a new baby who's on her way. I've made pop-up books that maybe I'll share when I'm in America. I can't do it here because I made one for my daughter and one for my daughter's best friend, and I don't want her to see, I don't want her to see her surprise. So I've had a great time. And the best part is that, oh, I'm making stockings today. And then that's it. Then I just hope to enjoy the holidays. I'm going up there to be with my son, my daughter-in-law, and my daughter, and help them decorate and cook and play board games and eat food. Luckily, I've got my elastic waist pants. So that's what I'm going to do. I did try some new things. The bibs were new. The quilt wasn't new. The lounge sets were new. I did not have any handmade nightgowns and lounge things for, not nightgowns, I had nightgowns, but I didn't have any lounge clothes that I'm so in love with. The rompers and the jumpers and the matching robes and everything. They feel so luxurious. I'm sad that I'm late to the party, but I still made it just in time. Now, as you can see, for what's going on around the workshop, the workshop has been shaken and set down by some giant. And I am hoping that by the time today, when I work on my Christmas stockings, I will clean up my workshop, put everything back in its place. Poor Raggedy Ann is just overcome with all sorts of stuff and be on my way. What did I sew? I made bibs for little Emily, who's not here yet. What else did I make this week? I know I made some things. Here's the thing about packing away all of your gifts into suitcases that out of sight, out of mind. Oh guys, this is what's so weird. I made a lot of Vlogmas projects. That's why they're all packed away as gifts and are part of my Vlogmas. So I made, let's see, carriers for my electronics. I made carriers for personal items. What else did I make? Oh, I made so many. I think I'm on day 14 of Vlogmas, so I have a lot of things in store. And so I don't really have, I don't have any of those things to show you because they're part of my Vlogmas. Now, I did get a few things in the mail. When my daughter, Sarah, arrived back in, my muse arrived back in Jamaica this Saturday, and then she arrived at the house by Sunday. She brought me a gift package or a care package from my friend Linda in Georgia, who had sent patterns to my daughter's address in Houston. And so I have a little bit of a haul. A couple of them I already packed because I'm going to work on them when I'm in Houston. But one of these is Simplicity 9508. I believe, I don't know if the reason I didn't get these is because they were sold out online, And she was able to get them at her local store. But this is one of those crossbody fanny packs that I like so much. And then there is Simplicity 8713, Do Not Ask. You know I like to make a costume, even though I don't have a Halloween thing to wear it to. It's the librarian in me. I love to dress up. And there's 9641 by Simplicity. I love this structured shirt dress. And I love these princess seams in this additional. There's a possibility for color blocking because this bottom looks like it's separate from the top. I just think it looks so structured and so great. I think it looked good on me. I absolutely love this for my little dress a girl around the world. Look at that purse, y'all. Look at that kitty. You know I have to make that kitty. Maybe I have to make a couple kitties. 8102. I wasn't able, my friend found it for me in Georgia. Alrighty. And Simplicity 9393. I liked this dress. I'm already thinking about next year, y'all, and dress a girl. I'm already thinking about next year. Oh, and I got a package from England. Now, aren't you proud of me? I opened the package off camera so you didn't have to hear the crazy sounds. All right, I bought 3 Tessuti fabric patterns from Fold Line in the UK. I absolutely love their style. I think they're Italian-based company, and I bought the Astrid sundress. I don't see a line drawing, so I love this attention to detail. I love this. So I'm gonna have to snip it because the knot's pretty tight. Yeah. But I love that sundress. I love how it's structured. I can see it in denim. I can see it in Ankara. I love that. You could block it. Oh, it's very nice. All right, so I am on a mission to buy as many Tessuti patterns as strikes my fancy. I'm on a budget though, so once a month. All right, and this is the Kyoto vest pattern. All right, let me see. I don't know if I can open this quickly or if it's gonna give me a hard time. Oh, it's coming. All right, there we go. Whistle. Look at this shape, the Kyoto vest pattern. This one has a line drawing. Now, I love a vest. I think that's so interesting. I'm just interested in it. It doesn't really have a place in Jamaica, but the way my life is turning out, I'm in the States twice a year. Plus, anytime I hopefully don't have any emergencies and have to visit any uncles or aunts. But I love the directions. It makes me very happy. All right, I have one more, and let me deal with the bow. This is the Lenny top. I loved all of these aspects about it. The simplicity, this border set. It does not have a line, no line drawing, y'all. But I love these things that they're kind of a shortened body and they hit just here because I'm an apple shape. They're either long or they're short. And I think this is really elegant. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use of this. The V-neck is my best look. Let's see, meterage. Oh, it's in meters. About 2 yards. About a yard and a half to 2 yards. That's the conversion in my brain. We'll see how that goes. All right, anyway, so today is to work on my stockings, to finish my pop-up book, get those packed, and ready to get on the road tomorrow. So the next time I talk to you, I'll be reporting from a stolen studio. I'll be inhabiting my daughter's studio. So wishing you luck, and I'll have a safe journey. And we'll see you next Friday. Keep making. Christmas is almost here.